Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. Today we're at another development in New Kingston. It's the New Kingston Business Center. So we're at the New Kingston Business Center today where they're doing an expansion slash renovation. We did two prior videos. This is gonna be the third video that's showing you an update in terms of what's happening. It's a bit windy, so apologies for the wind noise as well. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so you can see more awesome content. Definitely comment and share so that the video can spread and more persons can see. And definitely leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the New Kingston Business Center. Right by Little Tokyo is where Cuddy's was. Cuddy's restaurant. That was a very popular restaurant in Kingston. It's no more, so there's no more Cuddy's. And then we have the East Japanese restaurant as well. So all that lower level section was where Cuddy's was. So all the top section is gonna be a conference room, a conference center. So what they have done is to move the food court and all the restaurants from upstairs where it was to downstairs. So all the restaurants, Little Tokyo, East Japanese, they're now downstairs. So let me know in the comments what you think about this development. In the middle they're going to develop a BPO space, a call center space for 800 seats. So I'll show you guys that as well and do a walk around of the entire building. Alright, so we're basically standing in front of the Sagicor Bank on Dominica Drive, New Kingston. And again, apologies for the wind noise, it's a bit windy. Alright, let me go across the road and give you a better shot of the Sagicor Bank. Alright, so this is a better view of the Sagicor Bank. So guys, this is not a financial channel, but there's a lot of IPOs coming out. I think Sagicor is gonna be opening their second index fund IPO this week, next week. The first one for the financial sector. The first one was successful. This new index is for the manufacturing and distribution industry. The first one is doing very well, so this one should do well as well. If you guys are into stocks, IPO shares, definitely look into this. And even if you're not knowledgeable about those stuff, guys, if you don't know about IPOs and shares, this is the time to learn, because Jamaica is doing very well in terms of the stock market. Wington IPO has done exceptional. Fontana Pharmacy has done exceptionally, basically has doubled. I do know a thing or two in terms of investing and shares and stuff like that, but this is not a financial channel, so I won't elaborate anymore. But you guys, if you don't know much, take the time to learn and start investing. And if you guys are already in it, look out for the Sagicor Select Fund IPO opening soon. We also have Mail Pack opening soon and a lumber depot as well. But what do you guys think about Jamaica in terms of the Jamaica stock market being the best performing stock market so far? I think over the last 2 years there was some recent reports out, and we know that the Jamaican flag was hoist on the New York Stock Exchange as well. So share in the comment what you guys think about the Jamaica Stock Exchange market and how it's doing. Alright, let's take a walk around the New Kingston Business Center now in terms of seeing the development. Alright, so we are at the side of the New Kingston Business Center. One other thing I want to do in this video as well, guys, is to highlight some of the subscribers. So basically highlight subscriber that is always commenting, has been a part of the community from day one. I can't give everyone a shout out in this video. Alright, so I can't give everyone a shout out in one video, but if you didn't hear your name on this video and you know you are always commenting, always watching the videos, definitely comment on this video and say shout out, and I'll try my best to give you a shout out in the next video once you want to get a shout out. So not everybody wants a shout out, but I felt like doing this just for the consistent persons that has always been a part of the channel in one way or the other. I won't call full names where it seems as if it's a real name, just for privacy, but when it's not a real name, I'll just call it out. So we have persons like Winston Gel, we have persons like Janeem Ja, Eugene Bryan, Dave Newell, Drewski, Zico Don, Wayne, Pete, King Spotlight, Addison Tanky. So those are some persons that has always commented and always been watching the content. So just want to give you guys a big up as well. So whoever I missed, just comment, say shout out if you want a shout out, and I'll try put it in on our next video. Alright, so we're just coming off Grenada Crescent where we saw Glow Foods and NK Catering. So we're going back onto the front, which is Dominica Drive. So we have East Japanese right here, recently opened. A little private dining area right at this side. And then we have little Tokyo down this side. So this is where Cuddy's was before as well. This entire section was Cuddy's. So down this side is Little Tokyo. Alright, so this is basically the front entrance for the business center, New Kingston Business Center. Alright, so this is the side entrance to the business center. This is also the entrance to Express Fitness. Inside is a bit loud based on the construction, so you may not hear a lot of talking. We have a lot of construction material as well. And I know I see Chinese working on the project, so I guess that Chinese company got the contract, my assumption. You guys know who has the contract for the renovation and expansion? Can let me know. We have a Scotia ATM as well. So we have Woolworth. Alright, so this is the side where we were before. So this is the second floor. They're going up to a third floor. Alright, so up this side is where the food court was. So that's the third floor, elevator access. So this is the BPO space. This will be the call center space in the middle. A lot of shops had to be relocated. Most of the shops had to be relocated until they're finished. For example, this is one that had to move. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end the video. Remember, if you're new, subscribe for more content. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about the plaza, in terms of what you think about the business center, the renovation, the expansion. Work is happening all around the building. Some of the spaces are finished, some businesses are relocated. So New Kingston Business Center, renovation and expansion. Alright, so we see the third floor going up there. We see the beams, the columns. So they're also putting on a third floor. I think some of those spaces will be office. Some of it will be the BPO space, the call center space. Alright guys, see you on that next video. So across that wall is the Knutsford Express. I know they already have underground parking here. That was here before. I think they'll still maintain the underground parking.